close. Joining us now for an exclusive interview is Commvault CEO Sanjay Mirchandani. Sanjay, good to see you. Just talked about the roller coaster ride again for the stock, but tell me about what powered this quarter, particularly large enterprises, which we just heard a bit about from F5.
Thanks for having me, John. Good to see you. It was a great quarter by all metrics. You know, whether you look at our top line revenue growth, whether you look at ARR, you look at subscription ARR, SaaS ARR, our numbers grew across the board, and it was fueled by business across the board, across segments. So our large enterprise customers we did really well with them. We did over 12 transactions over $1 million, and our mid-market also performed really well with our SaaS business growing 70%. So overall, the threat of ransomware, the threat of cyber attacks is real, and our ability to really help our customers through that and be more resilient is working.
It seems that DeepSeek went through a bit of a cyber attack itself. Give me your thoughts on this DeepSeek adjustment that the whole tech market is going through right now. The Chinese AI company potentially making the market focus more on efficient models. That's potentially rough for infrastructure companies, good for applications. What does it mean for Commvault?
So for us, AI, we look at AI in two ways. One is building AI into our technology so that what we do for our customers really comes through. Resilience, knowing where to recover from, threat scans, the stuff that AI is really great at. And we build that right into our platform so customers can take advantage of it. On the other side, as AI apps start coming to the fore, as new data models come in, it's all about the data for us. And of course, compute power and all of that. But when we look at the data sets, that's not going to slow down, and that's not going to be less. So we're working, fundamentally to make sure that we can not only, protect all the elements of an AI app, but also the entire, the provenance of an app as it gets built and deployed. So we're working on both of those. So that's where we're at. The DeepSeek, conversation is really about more choice.
We just mentioned CrowdStrike, the fact that it had such a strong day today, trading at record highs. You partner with CrowdStrike. Just want to dig a little bit deeper into that partnership and how it speaks to how this ecosystem continues to evolve.
Absolutely, Morgan. So, we've been saying for a while that the world of data security and data protection are coming together. And what we want to do is give our customers the ability to work with the technologies they choose. So in this case, a lot of our customers also use CrowdStrike. So what we've done is engineered together the ability to take feeds from CrowdStrike intelligence and bring it right into the Commvault platform. And then customers can invoke automation policies to say, if this happens and if this is a real threat, then do this. Whether it be, quarantine the data or back up the data or not back up the data. So this way, the customers get a single pane of glass and they can take the technologies that they like to work with, and we meet them there.
Francois Locadonu from F5 just telling us that some customers who had been sweating some of their enterprise infrastructure are now back in purchasing mode. When it comes to software and cyber, there was already demand playing out. Are you seeing any difference in spending the budget from your customers?
I think, John, what we're seeing is that customers are looking where, we have been looking to consolidate on our platform and in cyber resilience. So this is a situation where having, more is not necessarily better or safer. Having one platform that goes across your workloads, goes across your enterprise is important and the right thing to do. And we've seen a lot of customers this quarter come through with their consolidation plans on us, and we're seeing a lot of that spend.